natin dalhin yung para doon. Okay? Okay, so pag sinabi cut right, huwag nyo bababa ang kamay, lagi naka-fighting stance. Okay? Kapag sabi ko ng jump, yung left, jump. Okay? Jump. Okay? Okay, mag-jump tayo, tapos straight naman yung right hand. Ginawa nyo na yung jump straight, ginawa nyo na rin. So ngayon, yung jump ninyo, one, yun lang. Kung bilang nag-two, lever, balik agad ha. Huwag nyo bababa ang kamay sa nahin, lagi naka-fighting. Okay? Okay? Yan. Okay, so after that, after nag-jump straight, then meron tayo pa-hook. Left, hook. Okay? Then right, hook. Then after nyan, tatlo. Jump straight, tapos cross. Balik, ha? Jump straight, then hook. Okay? Okay? Okay, so dito muna tayo. Tayo! Okay? Okay, okay, dito, makinig. Okay, bago mo na. So, dito. Okay, cut right, fighting stance, move. Left to forward. Yan, okay. So, jump tayo, left lang, left. Wala mo na mag-bounce, Stationary lang muna tayo.
Left,
Okay?
left forward, left forward, left forward, left.
Okay, ready?
No, forward, left forward, jump.
Sishab, walang gagalaw. Ready? Jump, left hand. Ready? One! Isa lang. Puro jump lang muna, puro jump. Two! Isa lang, hindi nyo.
Isa lang. Hoy, mga advance sa likod. Ang bingi nyo.
Three! Four! Five! Six! Seven!
Hoy, jab lang ha, jab. Alam nyo naman yung jab dyan eh. May sumusuntok pa ng ano eh. Pag sinabing jab, isa lang.